Love you.
I love you at all.
Love you too.
I'm gonna throw you out this window.
I just trying to make an appearance in my vlog. A ver, hazme esa pregunta otra vez.
¿Tú algún día vendrías con tus hijos acá?
Yo creo que tenemos que regresar. We have to come back before 20 years later, because in 20 years I wish to have my own children. I mean, I don't know if I even want children, if they're just gonna abandon me. But hay algo me picó, creo. Ay. So, my mom just asked me if I would come back here one day, and I told her yes, with my two children, which are my mom and dad. They're gonna be my children when I'm in 20 years. So in 20 years, I'm gonna bring them in my. Well, I'm not gonna feel like driving. Maybe I'll hire someone to drive us and take care of them. I cannot get over these beautiful mountains. Look at that beautiful scenery as we're driving in this powerful tractor. It's a joke. My parents call it a tractor because it's old. A nuestra otra casa. Esta es mi casa en Virginia. Estoy arriba de la silla. We are currently in Alabama, and for the past like 5 lights, we've just gotten red. It was green, 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 go, go, go. Right until we almost passed it, it turned red. So we've been stopping at every single one. Yay!
Can she do that? I can't.
Yeah.
No, you'll be an idiot.
Can't be shy. No shyness here. Ooh, the view.
I love you at all.
Love you too.
I'm gonna throw you out this window.
I'm just trying to make an appearance in my vlog.
But you wanna jump in there, huh? You wanna jump in there? Jump! Oh, hi. Didn't see you there.
Stop. Seriously, stop. So my little brother and I just came to the pool area, and you have to be 21 to enter. It does not say that anywhere. What the heck? That is so messed up. That is like exclusive, I guess. Well, it's a day club, so I guess because
Gotta go fast. Whoa, go. I want you to do it. I want you to hit me.
okay.
Put it in max gear. Put it in max gear. You are such a drama queen. Do it. You won't jump out of the window.
Oh my gosh. Did you record that?
I saw it.
I thought it was
I got
supposed
this
to
on
go to a
tape.
room, like to hit the door. And it turns out to be like this little area.
You stupid woman. She'll never take me alive.
Where are you?
Ow. My knee, I busted my kneecaps. Okay, so I'm gonna hate you now.
No.
Yeah.
If you do, I'm gonna go inside the room and wake up Dad. I'm serious. You better not hit me. Gotta run. Gotta catch 'em all. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna break the table. Okay, this was a good warm up. It's a good warm up for the gym. You're tired. I'm the one running. Okay. It's running out of battery. Guys, my little brother just told me that. What did you say? I forgot.
You are a horrible human.
He just told. I asked him if he's proud of me for like posting my first ever YouTube video and my second one, and then he was like, "They grow up so fast." And he went like that. I'm actually editing another one right now, and he was like, he feels like. What did you say? I'm a little bird running off the nest, or what? What did you say about the bird? Okay, and yeah. The waiter from like another table just came up to us and told me, "Can I tell you something?" And I was like, "Yes." And she said, "You look like the girl from 13 Reasons Why." And I was like, "Oh my gosh." And then she was like, "Oh, do you get that a lot?" And I was like, "Kind." And I told her about how like 2 years ago people were telling me to be her for Halloween, and she told me it's okay. People told me I look like Bad Baby, and I was like, "Yeah, you kinda do." So yeah, I was just like. I totally just fooled him into thinking. I fooled him into thinking that I got scared.
No, we get that footage.